Hey, here's a little something about how I drive rebar pins with a jackhammer. What I got here is your basic China hammer. It's been well used and abused. She leaks, whatnot. And I got a spare chisel for it. I think it was like 20 bucks. And cut it off. Use a burn-off saw. You'll go through a lot of reciprocating saw blades. Use a burn-off saw. But anyways, I got myself a piece of pipe and I welded it on. Pretty stoutly, although to be honest, it's just it's really just to keep your rebar from falling off. And it's, you know, a motion we're all familiar with. It's just in there a ways, and you just slip it over the end of the rebar and pull the trigger. I don't even sharpen them. This was a 16-foot stick, and I hit something. Don't know what I hit, but I hit something, and it was hard. But it's probably the rock wall as it extends under the ground there. But yeah, it works a treat. You know, it drives them not super fast, but you can imagine trying to drive 6-7 feet of rebar underground off a ladder, holding it with a hammer. But yeah, she just rat-a-tats in, and then what I do is I place a board under it, obviously back there, and I just use the jackhammer to bend them, and that's how I bend them over. But works a treat. Paid for itself the first time I used it, so I highly recommend. Thanks for watching.